Hello everyone, it's great to be here. My name is Steve and I'm from the maintenance team, and I've been asked to read a story from the Beginner's Bible. And today we're going to hear the story of the lost sheep. Some people wondered who was most important to God. So Jesus told them this parable. Think about a shepherd. What does he do? He watches over his sheep. He gives them plenty of food, and he gives them plenty of water. He counts them up and makes sure they are all there. If one is lost, he looks for it. He looks in the barn. He looks near the stream. He looks in the hills. He looks everywhere. The shepherd does not give up. At last, he finds the little lost sheep. He carries the sheep back. He calls his friends together and says, "Let's celebrate. My lost sheep has been found." Then Jesus said, God loves every one of his children just as a shepherd loves his sheep. When one of God's children sins, they are like a sheep that has gone astray, and God is very sad. But when that person turns away from sin and comes back to God, God is very, very happy. He celebrates like a shepherd who has found his lost sheep. And that's it for today.